Looking for an easy way to turn your TV into a smart streaming hub? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD, featuring full HD streaming, Alexa voice control, and access to your favorite apps in one place. With smooth performance, simple setup, and a compact design, it's an easy way to upgrade your entertainment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD, Alexa voice remote, AAA batteries, power adapter, HDMI extender, power cable, user manual and remote guide. Product features. The Fire TV Stick delivers smooth full HD streaming and helps bring a smart TV experience to older televisions. It gives you access to streaming apps, live TV services, and online entertainment from one simple interface. This makes it an easy way to enjoy movies, shows, and videos on the big screen without upgrading your entire TV. It supports Dolby Audio, helping improve sound quality for movies, TV shows, and streaming content when used with compatible TVs or sound systems. This can make dialogue clearer, background effects more noticeable, and overall playback feel more immersive. It adds a richer entertainment experience than basic TV audio alone. Fire TV puts movies, TV shows, music, live channels, and app-based entertainment together in one place for easier browsing. Instead of jumping between different devices, you can explore a wide range of content directly from the Fire TV interface. This makes finding something to watch faster and keeps your entertainment more organized. With Alexa voice support, the Fire TV Stick can do more than just stream movies and shows. You can use voice commands to control playback, search for content, check the weather, ask simple questions, and interact with compatible smart home devices through your TV. This adds extra convenience and makes the device feel more connected to a modern smart home setup. Technical specifications. How to use. Plug the Amazon Fire TV Stick into your TV's HDMI port, then connect the USB-C power cable to a power source or a compatible TV USB port. After that, turn on your TV and switch to the correct HDMI input so the Fire TV setup screen appears. Insert the included batteries into the Alexa voice remote and wait for it to pair automatically with the Fire TV Stick. Once paired, you can use the remote to navigate the menus, confirm setup options, and access Alexa voice controls during the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, connect the Fire TV Stick to your Wi-Fi network, and sign in with your Amazon account. After setup is complete, you can download apps, start streaming content, and use voice commands to search or control playback more easily. Safety tips. Avoid water and moisture. Use the correct power accessories. Do not overheat the device. Handle ports and connectors gently. Keep the remote safe. Store in a cool, dry place. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.